Welcome to another segment of Kale Yes, McKinley's very own cooking channel. And today I'm going to showcase to you a savory breakfast option. Sometimes students tell me that they don't necessarily want to eat something sweet in the mornings. This is going to be a great breakfast recipe for you in order to get some high protein, add in some of those veggies, get a grain, and it's going to give you some great energy to get through your day. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's get started by prepping the tater tots according to the directions that you see on the bag. Turn the stovetop to medium heat. We're going to cut the tomato in half and then into quarters. Go ahead and take the insides out, cut into strips, and then dice up. Add the tomatoes to the pan, add the spinach to the pan, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Let's go ahead and start cracking the eggs. We're going to add 6 eggs. Wash your hands after cracking the eggs. Whisk the eggs. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of taco seasoning, 1 teaspoon of pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. While our veggies are cooking, let's go ahead and chop up the cilantro. Now that the spinach is wilted, we can go ahead and add our eggs. To cook the eggs, stir consistently until no liquid remains. Prep your tortilla, spread on some of the refried beans, top with the tater tots, add some shredded cheese. Go ahead and place your egg mixture on top, fold in your ends, and then wrap it up. You can place your breakfast burrito in some foil if you want to freeze it for the future, or just place it in a Tupperware container to grab easily throughout the week. You can add shredded cheese, a dollop of sour cream, and some fresh salsa. And then top it off with some cilantro. To reheat these, you can pop them into the microwave. Start by heating for 30 seconds. Flip and then heat for another 30 seconds. Okay, and here is our final product with our breakfast burritos. Just know that if I put something in these that you don't like, these are totally customizable, that you can add in whatever beans you would prefer or whatever veggies you would prefer, and really make it feel that it's things that you like and that you enjoy, and that's kind of the beauty of a breakfast burrito. Okay, so let's dig in. You guys are gonna love them. Give this one a shot. Thank you guys so much for sticking around for another episode of Kale Yes. I really hope you give these breakfast burritos a try. But if you wanna get some more skills in the kitchen, you should definitely sign up for a cooking class at the Instructional Kitchen at Campus Recreation.